Hey guys, welcome to my weekly laundry routine. Today I just wanted to go over with you guys a quick video with some laundry motivation. I also am including a DIY laundry recipe in case you need it, in case you're shorthand on supplies. Also, I'm going to be putting together this new laundry sorter and folding some laundry with my oldest daughter Savannah. So if you guys are new here, I post weekly videos all about cleaning, motherhood, lifestyle. My laundry routine has changed a little bit since being home, and everyone's home right now, so I wouldn't say that I'm kicking out as much laundry, but I'm definitely still keeping up with my laundry routine. If you're new and you don't know, I do have a laundry day routine basically where I do like one load of laundry every other day, and then I sit down once a week and I fold and hang all the laundry all at once. So particularly I usually do it on Thursday, but since I've been home from work, I'm doing it on Friday right now. I also went ahead and washed all the bags and the coats and the pillows and stuff and got that off my sanitizing checklist, as well as my spring checklist for the pillows and blankets and stuff. So I got all that done. And I found this little laundry guide at Dollar Tree. I'm sure they still have them somewhere. You could also just make yourself a printable and put it in your laundry area, but I thought it was really cute. In case you're wondering what those are my dryer balls. I use those for like static cling. And before anybody freaks out about my supplies up there, it took me a couple weeks to find all those supplies because we've been really short in my area, so nobody come at me for having things on hand now, because it took me a couple weeks to get all those things. So let's start off first with building this new laundry hamper, which I'll have this listed down below in case you are interested. This is the one that I already have in my basement, but I'm adding a second one so that way I can have more categories of sorting. I've been looking for an option to keep the clothes off my dungeon floor basement for quite some time, and this has been definitely doing the trick. I really love it. I find myself just going down there now the girls are playing in the space, so I like to just sort the laundry when I go down there, see what's happening. And it's kind of evolving my routine actually, because what I'm ending up doing is I'm going to end up washing once there's enough for the load, because I'm getting to where I want to sort out different types of loads instead of just washing all the laundry at once. So now I'm having a category type for, sheets and blankets, pillows, towels, which all those things used to get washed separately as it is anyway, but now they're just going to have their own little hamper space. And then I'm focusing heavily on like a load for jeans, a load for delicates, a load for like everything that can kind of go together, and then a load for like socks and underwear. So those are my laundry sorting categories for right now. I do have 8, so the other ones will consist of like one for blankets, one for sheets, one for cleaning stuff, and then one for regular shower towels. But it will be listed down in the description box if you are curious to get yourself one of these. I do recommend it. I've been using it for a couple weeks now, or actually even longer than that, because I got it at Christmas time. So it's held up, it works well, and it does roll. I realized that these two carts are different colors now, setting them next to each other, but I wasn't going to send them back just in the light of everything that's happening, so I just decided to deal with it because it's close enough. But I did order these like months apart, so just know that if you were to get these, this probably would happen to you, but I wasn't going to make a big deal out of it now because the functionality of them is still dead on for me. I know for some people out there, finding supplies that you need has been tough, so I wanted to mention this DIY laundry recipe once more. I have shared making this in a different laundry routine video, but I just wanted to let you know that if you have borax and washing soda and a felt naphtha bar on hand, you can make yourself like a 5-gallon bucket, and it can last you probably like 2 months depending on how much laundry you do or more. And then these boxes can last you for probably like a year's worth. You'll just need a felt naphtha bar for each time you make a new batch. So I just wanted to throw that in there. I'll have some links listed down below if you want to look at them. You can make a liquid version, a powdered version. There's so many versions you could make. I didn't want to list them all in this video. In the previous video, what I did was the liquid version, and I also added in my own laundry detergent. Now, I think that worked out really well. I really liked the consistency, but I found that the best way to do that is just having some type of blender or some type of immersion blender to make it most like commercial laundry detergent. But either way, it's going to get the job done. You can use simply baking soda and washing soda together, and you can still get the job done. So if you can't find laundry detergent, just know that you have DIY laundry detergent as an option until it becomes available to you, or if you just need to save more money during this time. Now, I've been asked several times in like every video if I do require my kids to help me clean up, and I always have. Savannah, this is Savannah, she's 9 years old, and her sister is 5 years old. They've always had their own little chores that they do around the house to help me out, but I have been recruiting them more over the last, I would say probably 2 months or so, getting them more involved with laundry. They help me do a lot of hanging, and Savannah has been in charge of folding the towels and the washcloths and stuff for probably the last year and a half. And sometimes Jordan hops in and she helps with washcloths and stuff, or folds my cleaning rags for me. So that's one of the new additions to my laundry routine. So I haven't had as much laundry to do, because they do help me do more bulk of their laundry. But this week also, since it wasn't quite massive, I only had a couple baskets of laundry to do. I just went ahead and did it, and had Savannah do her portion of the baskets. I mean the towels, her portion of the towels. So the way that I go about doing the laundry is everything that is a top or a sweater or something gets hung up, both in mine and James's closet and in the girls' closet, and then all the bottoms get folded and organized into the drawers, as well as like the socks and underwear and stuff. And then there's also space for pajama items. Downsizing our wardrobe has been one of the greatest things as far as keeping track of laundry goes, but the next biggest thing that's helped me stay on track with laundry is hanging everything. This is something that I've always done. It just helps me to get it done a lot faster, because I hate folding and I hate when things get unfolded. Also, and then in terms of the kids helping me, it's so easy for them to learn how to put something on a hanger. Doesn't matter which way it goes, as long as that, it gets hung up. So think of that too if you want to introduce new things into your routine or get the kids to help.
I want to shout out Kimberly because she hit the bell, she subscribed, and she also liked. I want you to get to 40K subscribers, and if we can do that, then we get a yes day.
You get a yes day? If I get to 40,000 subscribers?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're crazy.
Yes! Do it, please! I need it.
We'll see. If we can get to 40,000, I'll give you a yes day. What are you doing, Connor?
I'm just looking around.